Welcome back. Today, we're talking about something awesome: recognizing your coworkers with Giftpack's points system. It's a fantastic way to show your appreciation, and it's super easy to use. Let's dive in and see how to spread some positivity in your workplace. Before you can begin sending or receiving points, Giftpack has a quick verification process to ensure secure points transactions. To get started, head over to the Settings tab, then switch to the Security page where you'll find step-by-step instructions on the verification process. Once verified, head to the Network tab to explore a list of your colleagues who have been invited to your points network. If they have a green bubble next to their profile picture, that means they are ready to be showered with appreciation. And now, the best part: giving recognition. Click the green light bulb icon next to their name on the Network tab. Doing so will open the recognition pop-up window. Here's where the magic happens. You can choose how many points to award and write a personalized message to highlight their amazing work. Be specific. Tell them what they did that impressed you. Once you're happy with your message, hit confirm, and your kudos are on their way. Want to view past recognitions you've given or received? Head to the Feed section. This is where all the high fives and shoutouts live. You can see the points exchanged and read personalized notes, making the whole experience even more meaningful. Feeling curious about your points? Visit the Points tab, where you'll find your current point balance, points given and received, and even a detailed graph of your point activity. But wait, there's more. Your points can be traded in for awesome rewards. Head over to the Gift Mall tab, browse the wide variety of items, and select the perfect gift for yourself. After adding it to your cart, fill in your shipping info and use your points to pay. Need a little extra to reach your dream gift? Giftpack lets you top up your points with your credit card to bridge the gap. That's it for today's video. Giftpack's points system makes peer-to-peer recognition a breeze. It fosters a positive and rewarding work environment, and let's be honest, who doesn't love getting acknowledged for a job well done? So, what are you waiting for? Go show your team some appreciation with Giftpack's points system. Until next time, happy gifting!